normally. Don't do too much. Okay, so we start with this guy here. Put it on 72. We drag all the way to 100. Hold on. Let's solo this.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
So I like to turn on my
Baby,
volume
no, dance
on
for
my
me.
sound card so
Baby,
I
no,
can hear
dance
everything
for
very
me.
well.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, no, they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby, dance for me. Baby, no, they do somebody's. Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby,
So we're going to be bringing this one down the way.
oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
Mm-hmm.
Baby, no, they dance for me. Baby, no, they dance for me. Bad.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
So basically what I'm doing here is me solo, like I'm soloing the frequencies to toggle around and browse around frequencies that I'm listening to that I don't like. That's basically what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
This one is trimming. I'm trimming frequency. More of like cut slash trimming.
Oh yeah. Baby, no, they dance for me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we come here to
Conquer.
hold on a minute.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no, they.
Should go down
Baby,
a
no,
little
they
bit.
dance for me like that.
This is breathing area.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no, they dance for me. Baby, no, they dance for me like that. Oh yeah, no, they do shakara. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And you might be wondering why am I echoing with I'm not playing the vocals with the beat. That's just how I do my thing. You know, like they say there are no votes to this thing, so I just like soloing the vocals and work around my frequencies that I'm trying to trim out. So yeah. And did you know? Let me tell you this quick way. Did you know that all this look, let me solo this frequency. It's saying, oh yeah, make it for me. You know, frequencies like this actually makes your vocals detune. Like naturally, it makes vocals detune. Any vocals, it just makes them detune. Sometimes, maybe when you realize that you are trying to like apply autotune on a vocal and it's not just working, and even when you are sounding right, like you're on key when you are singing, and you still kind of like hear this off offish type of vibe, you could just filter through the frequency and maybe you can. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what was I doing? Nothing here. Mm, okay, I'm streaming this one, which is obviously, yeah, I'm just streaming this one. More of streaming, not cutting.
Oh yeah,
So yeah, what do we have so
oh yeah,
far?
make you conquer bad.
We have
Baby
this
no,
guy so far. Sound like this before
oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby no day dance.
with EQ.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
Okay.
Baby no day dance for me.
I'm seeing some certain
Baby no day
frequencies that I don't like. Probably I want here.
bad.
You calm down, boy.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
Mm-hmm.
Baby no day dance for me. Baby no day dance for me like that. Oh yeah, no they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dancing for me. Baby no they do separis. Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby no they dancing for me.
I think we are good with Pro Q2. Now we are moving on to the bad boy. No time. We are not going to be wasting any time at all. Okay. So I use waves. I hope you use waves too. So yeah, I'm going to be applying my waves. My waves work. Yup. I'm using the stereo version. I don't know why I use it. I just like it. Normally, if you be using a stereo plugin, you should be using it on channels like this that has a stereo field like this. But I still use it on mono. I don't know. It just kind of like it gives me this feeling of fulfillment. That's basically why I use it, and I feel like it just feels right. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. I know. It feels right. It feels right. But don't you ever use I can use a mono like with field like this, with audio source field like this. I can use mono, I can use stereo. The only time I can't use mono is when I have, let's say, a stereo feed of stereo. You can't place a mono plugin on it because it's just going to like squeeze everything together and convert it to mono for you, which you definitely do not want that. So on stereo feed audio source, you use stereo alone. But on mono, you can use stereo or mono. So we are going to be using stereo today. So we have our studio back here, and we are going to be taking this bad boy. This is CLA2A. It's a compressor. Basically, it just kind of like pumps vocals out. It just pumps anything out. So yeah, we don't have the full feed right now. What I do is deactivate the plugin, activate it back. So we now have the plugin in full screen. So let's solo our guy back. Our father.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
Okay.
Baby no day dancing for me.
You see, it's already
Baby,
like
no, they
with this
dancing for me
CLA28, the
like
guy is
that.
already like pumped out. Let me deactivate it back.
Oh yeah, no they do shakara.
You see?
Oh yeah, baby dancing for me.
When I was doing the all gain stage, like at the beginning, like I had confidence in like bringing down the volume because I know that I can. I knew I was going to get the volume back. You get me? So I was kind of like confident. So I wasn't really crazy because you might be thinking, is it crazy? What is it doing? See, yeah. So let's let's pump our guy up. So first thing I love doing is toggling around with my peak reduction knob here. Put it at 160 at first, and normally I just set this guy to like 45, but we'll be listening. Let's listen
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby no day dance.
with the beat.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby no day dancing for me. Baby no day dancing for me like that. Oh yeah, no they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dancing for me. Baby no they do separis. Oh yeah, make you conquer bad.
Because this compressor has just yeah, throwing up. See this guy as the knee. This peak reduction guy, see it as the knee, the one that ducks down your, like the threshold. Let's say, will I call it a threshold? Kind of like a threshold. Let me put it that way. It's like a threshold, but less strict threshold. Yeah, it's because it's kind of like this peak reduction guy kind of like tames your vocals at the top. It doesn't allow your vocals to clip. There's no way. I mean, we already have our gain staging guy at the beginning. There's no way we can clip. Clipping out of our business. So yeah,
Oh yeah, make you.
let's just mess around with this guy. This guy basically brings the volume up.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
You see, this is me setting the gain up to a certain level and still compress the top, so it stays even. Basically, this guy evens out all these guys. See all this big. Let me put it this way. Look at this waveform. It looks abnormal. This side, this part is high. This one a little bit low. This one kind of like at the same balance with this one. But what this guy does basically is even them out. It's going to like put all of them at the same level. So yeah.
Baby no, oh yeah, make you conquer back. Baby no, they dance it for me. Baby no, they dance.
Yes, we're going to go on 40, bro. Let's probably go 40.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back. Baby no, they dance it for me. Baby no, they dance it for me. Oh yeah, no, they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dance it for me. Baby no, they do somebody's.
Okay. You're going on 45. Let me just type it. I hope I'm not doing too much, but I always set my levels on 45 for a reason. I don't know. Just feel good.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back. Baby no, they dance it for me. Baby no, they dance it for me like that. Oh yeah, no, they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dance it for me. Baby no, they do somebody's. Oh yeah, make you conquer back. Baby no, they dance it for me. Baby no, they dance it for me like that. Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
And remember, you should really be careful with this guy because it's kind of like brings your vocals up all together with their frequencies. Remember the frequency we were cutting out that we were doing the first time inside Pro Q2? This guy is actually bringing them up, but they are not going to be as high as it was before the EQ. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
Okay.
Baby no, they dance it for me. Baby no, they dance it for me like that. Oh yeah, no, they do shakara.
More reduction. I'll just put my guy on 70. Just compressing the distance so it doesn't.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back. Baby no, they dance it for me. Baby no, they dance it for me like that.
Awesome. So the next thing we are going to be applying is another dynamic plugin. It's called the Renaissance Vox Alvox. Very popular guy. What this guy does is basically brings vocals up front to be up front on the mix. So maybe if your vocal is sounding dull, slap Alvox on it. Then open now. Okay, dynamic. Yeah, Alvox. Let's follow this guy.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
So it basically has three knobs. The gate, we already know what gate is, the one that deals with the noise and all. This guy deal with the noise. I like to put it on something like 50 something.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
You might want to be careful with this guy because if you push it too hard, it might dull your vocals, and I don't think you really want that. So yeah, leave it at 50 or maybe 45 even, because no 55.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
Cool. Then I'm going to be bringing this guy down, this gain plugin, to like minus 1.5 dB.
Oh yeah, make you conquer back.
More of 2. this is like gain staging too. Basically, you bring a volume down and add another volume. Does that even make sense? Yeah. This gain plugin just brings the old audio levels down. It brings the audio levels down while this compressor pumps everything up. There's a name for it. I can't remember. But yeah, you see what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no.
What does I bring this guy down? The volume goes up and heavy.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no day dancing for me. Baby, no day dancing for me like that.
Okay.
Oh yeah, no they do shaka.
Let's play with the beat so we don't miss.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no day dancing for me. Baby, no day dancing for me like that. Oh yeah, no they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dancing for me. Baby, no they do somebody's. Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no they dancing for me. Baby, no they dancing for me like that. Oh yeah, no they do shakara.
Okay. So I'm done with this guy right there. I'm not going to push it so hard. I know like the old vocals is not that loud for now, but I'm leaving it at this volume because I know I'll be applying a saturating plugin. We'll be applying saturation, adding saturation after this guy. But before we add saturation, I'm just going to quickly add my Deesser. I've not been hearing more S's here, but I feel like I just need it because there might be some part of the song that has sibilants and stuff. So we're going to be adding our Deesser plugin and just bring the guy down to like probably 28. Oh, no, boy. Okay, 35 maybe, wait.
Oh yeah,
No.
oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no they dancing for me. Baby, no they dancing for me like that. Oh yeah, no they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dancing for me. Baby, no they do somebody's. Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no they dancing for me.
And you really want to be careful with Deesser because it does vocals when you push it so hard. So I'm just going to leave it at this at this level. So proceed.
Oh yeah,
And that's what we're going to be doing with the studio rack. Just these 3 plugins, these 3 dynamic plugins. The CLA2A, the Alvox, and that's it. We're done with it.
oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no they dancing for me. Baby, no they dancing for me like that. Oh yeah, no they do shakara. Oh yeah, baby dancing for me. Baby, no they do somebody's. I don't they beg you please. I don't they beg you please. I don't they beg you have me.
Okay. Let's go ahead and slap our saturation. It's up. Saturation basically, what I'm using saturation is I'm kind of like giving it the vocals a warmth and more punchiness, would I say, more upfront feeling, just to make everything stand out and yeah, make everything more audible. So we are going to be using our 5-filter Saturn for that. We're not really going to be doing anything crazy. It's just some knobs. This guy, this bad boy, I use it every time. Why? Because it saves you from lot. Just try and like experiment with this guy. Study it. You're going to like it. So what we're going to be messing with is this presence slider and this treble, this level, this guy, this dynamic guy. This guy is the guy. This guy is the source. It adds more dynamic to your audio source, makes it more heavier. Can you see? We have the thin image here. We have the full. Yeah, I'll call it full. Let me just borrow the word full, please. So yeah.
Oh yeah, make you conquer bad. Baby, no they dancing for me. Baby, no they dancing for me like that.
We're adding presence.
Oh yeah, no they do shakara.